the next video on Xperiencify. Today's topic, we are going to go over how to add a training to one of your courses. Now, basically, it depends how you set your system up, and we're going to go how I do it. So basically, instead of going into each course and doing the training, all the data into it, I'm just going to show you how I outline it. So we're going to go into one of my courses that's, we will go into partnering with your boss, because that's not a real course. It's kind of made for this, for me to show you things. So I'm going to go there, and we're in the course, and I'm going to go to step 3, add course content. So then we're going to go to the modules and trainings. So let's put module 1. I'm going to go into module 1. There we have here, add your first training to this module. So I hit yet 1. I'm going to put this as training. Come on, there we go. Training step 1. And then I'll put my description, and I'll put this is step 1. Exclamation point. And then that would be the URL. We'll do the video, and the next one is just simple. Actually, I could do it here. You just pick it, but there's a couple options. So I want to do a dedicated video for that. And then I want to change my picture to something. And let's go down here for once and see if they have pictures. Let's do my London trip. Okay, so let's do, my son. We're going to put my son there. Isn't he handsome? Not that I would put this on a normal one, but since I'm just showing. Anyway, it should pop up any second. Up there goes, boo, come on, at the end. And there goes my son for step 1. So I'm going to save those changes. And then I am going to go back to the add training and repeat with step 2. So we'll put this as step 2. But am I in there? Yeah. This is step 2. Put the step 2 video. We'll get to, and we'll also get to the content on how that you could add content down here, but we'll get that in the next video. And then I'm going to do a new picture, and we will do Stonehenge. Yes, we went to London in France about a year and a half ago. So it was so fun. I want to go back. Anyway, so there we go. We're going to do that. We're going to save change. And then we have the 2 modules. And let's say I had 5 steps in this one. I'd make my 5 steps. And then I'd go down to the next module and do the same thing for the trainings in this module. I'd apply my first one, and it'd be, this would be step 1 for this module. Step 1. Anyway, that is how you would, let me do save changes. Let's see if you could go to, let's preview it. So we're going to go to, I believe, edit module, and I'm going to do preview link. And we wait and hope my little 5 minutes isn't up, because I used the free service to Xperiencify. Come on, one. Oh, there we go. So, and there we go. We have our first 2, at least that looks good. I should do it, something with, on London. That does look nice. Anyway, they're there. They have that. There's no information. That will be the next video. But in the meantime, that is how you set up your layout. So you have your modules, now you have your trainings, and in the next video, we will go over putting the content into the trainings. Anyway, if you have any questions, please leave them below, and I will see you in the next video.